All right, so I got this 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner by Saker. I was sent this in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. Of course, it says it's 3-in-1, so it's multi-function. It says strong suction power and abundant accessories with it, so we'll check that out. Comes with a bag you can carry it in. Got your USB-C charger cord. Here's some of those accessories. We'll check that out in a minute. Vacuum extension as well. Here's the filter for it. And then, of course, the device itself. You can see there's already a filter in there, so it actually came with an extra filter. That's nice. Here's a nice big canister to collect dust and debris with. There's a sticker here that says dust accumulation on the filter can reduce the suction power of the vacuum cleaner, causing a weaker suction. Please clean the filter in time or replace it with a new one. So make sure you clean the filter regularly. Comes off really easy. Just twist and turn. That way you can clean this filter and also empty the canister. Just slides right in there. You charge it via USB down here at the bottom, and there's the power button right there at the trigger. It says before use, please fully charge and press long for 3 seconds to start up, and then press short to switch to high grade. But we're just going to try to start this up. Long press. Very good. Press once. Very good. I feel like it packs a lot of power. So we're going to try this out and see how it works. So I'm really impressed with its suction. It's doing really well. Even just using it for like 30 seconds, it's already collected a whole bunch of stuff, even stuff that I didn't see on the carpet. And here's the filter after using it just for a few minutes. You can definitely see it has some crud in there, so you want to wash this from time to time. Probably not after every usage, but frequently, I would say. I'm going to show you how big it is. It measures about 8¼ inches long and about 6¼ inches tall. Fits in the hand really well. I find that my middle finger falls more naturally on that button there, but that's just me, depending on how big your hands are. Really lightweight, not too heavy at all. And yet it seems like it's made of really good materials. I think this thing's going to hold up just fine. Like I said before, it has various attachments that you can use to suck up whatever you're suctioning. These things are made of a really heavy plastic. These aren't going to break. Some of them are really, really small with fine brushes on these to get all the debris. And some even have a long needle nose like that to get into those crevices. So you have several attachments to choose from. That'll help you with just about any situation you can think of. Some of them go directly into the nozzle there, like that. Very simple. But some of them had this round attachment like this, and it wasn't immediately clear how it attaches. But that's actually where the 3-in-1 multifunction comes in. Because not only can this be used as a vacuum, it could also be used as an air blower or sucker. If you take off the canister, these tools can be used right here. So now all of a sudden, this is sucking air, which blows out the other end. Which can be used for things like deflating air mattresses, pool toys, that kind of thing. Or if you put it on the other end, you can actually blow up those devices. And even with that, there's 2 speeds, low and high. So that's very cool. So, a multi-function vacuum. It can replace a couple things in your house. It's light, it's handy, works well. I recommend it. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.